If somebody do on a bad thing, make on a carry paper go court. Anybody lies against you people, take the person to the court and jail the person. Let me block one or two. Utobo say it's like IPO. IPOB don't win. IPOB still they exist. Now they can't do inside. They don't pursue a job for on a camp for everywhere. We don't scatter. So define winning. I know that no now as the morph into Zion bin, I make me enter there now they hammer them. Like IPOB win who now they create. No, so no get sense. Self-humiliation they give on orgasm. Self-humiliation to they humiliate on ourselves. It be like say they give an orgasm. If not, why will you bring up a mumu group where I don't scatter? Honestly, they pay monthly dues. Honestly, they do a gondozo. Don't you know how you people were making noise before? Who still they talk? So that I don't open people eye, they see say on all of an ekpedima. And you are infusing it into this one now. Well, let's talk about IPOBs more. Which of your groups did they work? Eh? Go write IPOB for your asylum paper for Canada. Then go deny you. But now waiting they take they get the top aduro for Canada that time. So who do you think are the people responsible? All the things where they happen to on abroad, like who do you think is responsible for it? Who do you think is like when I know the shame know the catch on? So I want by the Kanu brother. He go run behind DSS for Federal High Court Abuja. Like I told you people, you know get waiting, I go to do on what I go to hide. Like say I break in neck, there you go by. By now I go still outside. Now shout on I go shout. Any media owner will put mouth there. I go send them go meet Emmanuel Kanu where he go there that time. It's very simple. You come out go work, you know go reach house. This thing that they talk about secretly. Eh? True one in down. I know they talk this thing secretly. Now, like waiting, I don't make obvious. Waiting, I don't make obvious. So why on I no go shut up? You people like humiliation. No matter how I try not to humiliate you people, no, I go still carry honor. Like on I go carry marker. Come say make I write on a shame for face. And I go see the shame on. In there, my people, please hit the like button and share the video. So, criminal Ebuka and his illegal team. I am telling you people, when I said nobody will be your victim, understand what it means? It means everybody that is putting out the truth about you, we are Igbo. We have our tradition of zero kingship, but complete leadership. Let me tell you again, lack of a singular figurehead as a leader is not the absence of leadership. It means, this one, let me block one also. You go first use good account with your real name. So make I know whether I go begin from your family they buy first before you go come. You dey hear me? You go come with your real name now. Make I begin to knock your family first. Now why not they come with fake accounts? Can we just leave that empty threats? I go buy your family and they talk about the water. I go first they give out your family at least. If I buy 2 or 3, you must come back. And as you come back, you no go. You no go. I carry water for my talker. I go begin like your people go call you. Say, hey, how do you bring up on? That is how to. I don't believe in any God fighting my battle, because no be God insult me or no be God challenge me. Now human being challenge me, so I will treat you as a human being by I never do am. I make the people who I don't buy their siblings come outside and talk. I tell you, say I go they do am. You go know who they do am, but fear no go let you talk am, because if you talk, I go hide you there. The Tozo for Asaba, well now they buy data for where you dey. Eh? Where they don't buy them now. That you know, she no day. Una no go even see the body. If una manage say, she no day. Okay? Okezie Ikpeazu, elected governor in Abia State, we dey finish am. Ugwu anyị, we finish am. Ebuka, Willie Obiano, we knack am. Peter Obi, we finish am. Like there is nobody that is beyond being told the truth. When I say Peter Obi give computer for school, say they use go school. I say okay, Unity Comprehensive, where their computer? Comprehensive, where their computer? Eastern Academy, where their computer? Ogboko boys, Ogboko girls. Eh? Let me block one or two. Each go to fake account. So why should Ebuka Obi's own be different? Pure RNG. He is an RNG master. And someone will say it. You people will know who you are avoiding. Then be looking for other people to intimidate. It will not work that way. It doesn't work that way. I don't care if the person, Ebony's son, is Nnamdi Kanu supporter. Yes, he's Nnamdi Kanu supporter. Just like Ebuka Obi is. But I will not come and say, oh, because Ebony's son believe in Biafra. Just like my own father believe in Biafra. So because of that, we go keep quiet. Say make them go arrest. You don't know and say anything where they do to Ebony's son. Tomorrow you may wake up from your slumber and realize that Ebuka Obi is a criminal. Then they will do it to you. If you want to, who you be where they no go talk about you? Who you be where they no go talk about you? Eh? Who you be where they no go talk about you? Like waiting you chop. You shop wish? What you shop where people no go talk about you? What is your job? You are jobless. You are jobless. You built a hotel from people's money. You are a thief. Evangelist is not a job title. You are selling them fake hope. Finish. Oh, you do key open. How? How? Come, make we buy new key. Make we dey go court. Because you will come there. Let me block this Okoko. Ebuka Obi, you will come to the court and defend yourself. There is no greater gift I will get this year than having you sue me. By the time that case will go halfway, I guarantee you your church will empty half. Half of your church will empty. Of course, you know many people are leaving. All these are NGO now they put boss for people. Make on I know they put boss now. Make those people they use their money they come. Make I know how many people will go still come. The business is dwindling. Shebi I tell on June 2020. Say IPOB. This is the end. That there is no other trajectory than downwards. I told you, I have put you on a downward spiral. You will never rise above where you are today. And from that point is downstream. Time has vindicated all of us that told you that and those that believed. The evidence is clear. So the same way I'm telling Ebuka Obi, this one no be prophecy, no be say God told me to. Let me block one or two. Where is your Nnamdi Kanu dey jail? You know how many years now? This is the 4th year. And I go dey talk nonsense. Nnamdi Kanu dey jail. I dey travel go anywhere where I want go. Your Nnamdi Kanu dey jail. Can you look at the scoreboard and stop making noise near Ishibodi Tarunu Nini? Who her brain? Abu na pulse dey on her brain. Oga, this one too no follow for the one where I go come out now. There will be goals for every class. Social media like waiting they do for me we will never run. Na extraction of material or person, na ambush, na surveillance, na transmission of information in real time, na targeting. Like which one? Waiting still remain. My grade for army when men begin do things by now I go don't be major, I go don't pass major. As a matter of fact, I feel even don't reach corner. Eh? I won't feel don't reach corner. And I will come the fear illiterate Ebuka be finish in business money. According to him, he say in business because God call. No, God call you. You waste your business money. Anybody you go jazz if you're seeking a chineke bodo. Ona don't see person where they do well for business where say God call her. Those days where would they grow up? Then go say, oh, you don't know that man. Now USA do God can't call him. Then you start going to the USA and see that so many people they frustrated there. Then learn things from all those American pastors. Then come they replicate them here. Eh? Come they replicate them here. Oh, your father big eyes. Ebuka Obi chere your poster na Abuja. Ebuka Obi chere your poster na Abuja. Akota dia him. Onwe ekute ya anything. Chere your poster na Abuja. Your banners. Chere ya na Abuja. Then let me still tell these umos that you can't do anything. Why I'm doing it is to prove to them that you are a nobody. Including, well, let me block one also. You know, see your papa preach for when they arrest Matthias, I be waiting. No man. Uzu. Eh? You know, see your father, like who now they cry for his neck over Matthias issue? Who put it on Sahara Reporters? My sister now morning na breeze no dey blow. And at the top, who carry him banner? Eh? Who carry him banner? Who carry him banner? Who carry him banner? Who did that banner? You know get that na? Mpama. Who carry him banner? So what are you saying? Who are you gaslighting? Then they blame me for the freedom of Matthias. Because they go even where that Ozu, that idiot Anakpo Chibo, brother Chibo. Somebody help me tag that Ocho. Don't let the G can I see you name. Somebody help me tag that Ocho, brother Chibo. Hey, look at the person that in the two Matthias. You are not supporting the person that was speaking against Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafra. Biafra bukwe unu dia. Biafra na bukwe unu dia. Oge buku unu oto shigbo ndị nna unu na-enwe sense. Oge buku unu ogbo buforo ndị nna unu. I will keep saying it. Oge bu na ebo buforo ndị nna unu. Umu okoko. Mabel Chinwe. Salam alaikum. Umocho. Neboni son on a see that. Oh, na one go do it. I'm asking you, why Ebony son? Why him? Why him and not me? You will have to go through me before you intimidate anybody from posting something about Ebuka Obi. It's that simple. Go through me first. If you think you can bypass me to go and thank you there, Philip. To go and pick up somebody, I will infuse myself into the case. I will infuse myself into the case. I will infuse myself into the case. Like you are there. Somebody that made billions scamming you is trying to arrest somebody that is just hustling to keep body and soul together to take care of his wife and his children. Eh? Someone that just wants to take care of his wife and children, saying what he's seeing with his two eyes. You say when you talk about Biafra, I think, what am I thinking about your Biafra? if I no buy you, comot your issue, and your family will not do anything, make trailer kill me for road. If I no buy you, comot your issue. I'm saying it openly now. Come, I go. Ebuka be in that team. Come, copy this one, cut this one. If I no buy you, comot your issue, and like I said, nothing would happen. Absolutely nothing would happen after when I cry and I go cry. Oh, so people are above the law. No, you go explain wetin carry you come. You go I no be on a way they do attack from behind. If I do, I go come and tell you, say na me do am. Now so then they take no real odoguna. And I no need to they gather small boys, go they send them, they do that. If need be that I need to go with people, you will see me there and I will be at the front. Okay? I will be at the front. Ebuka Biggie say nobody. He know the people where they talk to. And on a go they intimidate people. Now everybody.
Welcome back. As you don't watch that video, please do not forget to drop your own opinion and do not forget to share this video for more updates as it dey hot, because this math e get waiting the Igbo address that says that he say that aka Gog Owunikelo, but if run Gog Owunike Omanlo means that if you use hand go fight, the fight end. But what you talk for this math, they go fit use am judge you for many years, which it may not end. So leave your own opinion, what you think about this particular issue, for inside comment section, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for inside this channel. Thank you so much.